So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So number system ki 4 marks ki session number 2 previous year's question analysis. Okay. So 2016, 19, 22 and 25 4 years. Okay. Hangiba question 4 marks ki. Hama discuss tausi. Sigi question ji important oi yam toina su hangali aduga lyric tasu proof oina adum yaujabane. Okay, so question jina hygiene for any real numbers x, y, delta. Real number ahum lere x ne y ne delta hai where delta is greater than 0. Okay, prove that modulus of x minus y is less than delta if and only if y minus delta is less than x, which is less than y plus delta. Okay, so today is the man statement ama pyramid. Today is the x minus y hariba masagi modulus se x minus y is delta gi x minus y gi modulus ki value z delta de gi pick ni karam kan pick ni haiba matam if and only if y minus delta hari z x tagi p ba aduga amuk y plus delta na x tagi henna chawraba. Okay, so in short x hari see y minus delta ga y plus delta gi marakta laibata ba. Okay, so see is a proof to dringa da akoina modulus ki concept si kak season ko ahamba modulus hari z karino haibi hana tang. Let's try and understand this. See understand hek to boga loinamak adum gyan tarakani. Okay, so step by step tap na explain toge. So modulus of x hai na amaram lai sigi modulus se kari oigani haiba matamda masi x adum oijagani if x is greater than 0. Okay, aduga modulus of x minus x oirakani if x is less than 0. Okay, so sina haiji kaino ngasagi x hariba, let's say x is equal to 5 lawrasi adu itadi magi modulus si kari oirakani haiba matanda 5 adum oirakani kari gumba x is equal to minus 3 lawrasi which is less than 0 adu itadi modulus of x si kari oirakani haiba matanda minus x oirakani natra adu itadi minus of minus 3 which is equal to 3 aduna haibidi modulus haribasi it will always be positive. Okay, sigi concepts ne koin understand to this. All right, okay, so question jina hai jaung yeng ko question jan understand to question ji oman x haibam lere y haibam lere delta haibam lere real numbers ngakni. So let's x e koina 6 loxeles. Okay, y is in a 2 loxeles aduga delta zigan delta is in a greater than 0 have been nata greater delta is 10 loxeles man aham condition jo modulus of x minus y gi modulus kya oini x is 6 lere y is 2 lere adu ita di sig is kya tare 4 natra modulus of 4 is equal to 4 natra sig is less than delta is kya no 10 natra so sig is chum si karam kanda chumni haiba matam if and only if y minus delta hari bisi ko mana silida. Let us try and understand this. Y minus delta is less than x is less than y plus delta oira kanda haibi. So substitute roga ya brings ko y minus delta di kya no 2 minus 10 natra 2 minus 10 is minus 8 minus 8 si less than x oibra x kya no 6 here go 6 tagi p but y plus delta di kya no 2 plus y plus delta is 2 plus 10 which is equal to 12 natra adu si ki satisfy to magi se pyramid ba if and only if ki statement si satisfy to we. yan tabra adu oitadi akoina sigi question je proof torpa matamda ahambada akoina x minus y is less than delta haibisi hana akoina chumi haina proof tawraga suppose tawraga assume tawraga sigi second statement se tarakna bo hotna de okay that is the first part second part amuk second statement sidegi amuk hotkalaga first statement si tanaba hotkadoini okay so sumaina approach tawgani akoina questions. All right, so let us proceed with the solution. Okay, so let us clear the board. Now, solution. Okay, I decision adoisi modulus ki statement duniko. Okay, so I kai hare man pyramid bisi I hamada suppose and lowers. Okay. Suppose x minus y the modulus is less than delta hai. So which is the first statement. Natra. So first statement se koi na low hai. Are ko. First statement se low ro matung da first statement se degi second statement se proof to piya bra ying si ko. So adu oita the then. Koi na kai hai biya x minus y hari ba c will be less than or equal to modulus of x minus y, which could be less than delta. Okay, so see statement see kari haino let's say x is equal to so let's say x is equal to 2 so x is equal to 5 y is equal to 3 delta is equal to 10 okay, adu ita the x minus y hai again 5 minus c pochi man hai 5 minus 3 nadra which would be less than equal to modulus of 5 minus 3 nadra which would be less than delta is equal to 10 hai which is true nadra 5 minus 3 is 2 is less than or equal to 5 minus 3 ki modulus 2 ki modulus 2 nadra mana which is less than 10 yan tare ko. Okay, karigumba aikoina x ko y is on thokna ren kalo. Let's say x is 3 nen lore, y is 5 nen lore. Okay, and delta is 10. Natra adu ita second condition je lakani. So 3 minus 5. Natra so x minus y 3 minus 5 which is less than equal to modulus of x minus y which would be 3 minus 5 less than delta is 10. Adu ita is minus 2 lakra. Which is less than or equal to modulus of minus 2 dikata hai 2 which is less than delta. Sida is na less than la hai, sida is na equal to la hai. Okay, so C statement with any real value real number amala uda C statement che adum tagani. Okay, so C statement jini mana sida is the explain to. Okay, now mathang da sida is the layer. Okay, see statement that are consider okay, we will only consider these two. See, there is the second part. Modulus of x minus y is equal to delta. Okay, otherwise the modulus kari haina haigi. Modulus is nothing but mazi x if x is greater than 0 minus x if x is less than 0. Yan tare ko adu ita de koina condition ani law se sida okay adu ita di x minus y hari be c kai hare delta amle natra c gi x minus y hari be modulus c ma gi x minus y an le jare okay adu ita di x is equal to delta plus y natra tare ko so x is less than delta plus y so this is the equation 1 has. Okay, mathang da mathang da kai hai bia koina minus of x minus y is less than delta. Sigi part china ham bagi jine x minus y is greater than 0 ne low. Okay, mathang da amuk modulus of x minus y is kari gumba less than 0 or anta the minus of x la kunatra. Nata so this is the minus of x adu ita di ma gizu minus of minus of x minus y and smile adu name se lies. Okay, ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ? So ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ minus of x minus minus plus y is less than delta 하나. 야래고. Okay. Now 시대이다 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 시기 statementꯁꯦ 시대이다 ꯄꯤ리ꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ 시대이다 statement ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ 시대이다 ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦꯀꯣ. Okay. 시기 statementꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ. General exam kari like tabudi adumaina haibni. Okay, so let us like to hopin mai chap mana hot pires do itadi natra. So n hairaga x minus y natra, x minus y je koina kaila ani minus of x minus y natra, si chap mana less than equal to x minus y less than delta. Yare ko. So sidai the low origina x minus y is greater than 0, sidai the low origina x minus y is less than 0. Adu itadi koina siga sigi part si katang lorni x minus y is less than delta. Yantarani ko. Okay. Adu itadi sidai kaila minus x minus minus plus y is less than delta. Adu itadi koina kai habiara y is equal to delta plus x. Okay. Adu itadi y minus delta is less than x. So equation ani. Okay. Now before we proceed, there is the amukka matama explain to ko. Modulus ki part se karino modulus na hai ji kaino x makal ani tholakani modulus of x natra karamba x haibama or minus x haibama x na karam kanda x is less than greater than 0 oiba natra sidena x is less than 0 oiba. Okay, adu itadi karigumba aikoina modulus of x haiji makal ani thona tholakani natra adumai tawdana aikoina sideda modulus of magi statement se lobo matamda ahambada aikoina x minus y haribasi positive nen lowre hareko sidena x minus y is negative nen lowre adugi negative of x minus y la yantarani ko. So this is the only tricky part haita natra. So mathangda mo equation 1 ga 2 ga jeng equation 1 ga. So combining equation 1 and 2. So combining equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, equation 1 ga equation 2 ga combine tawu matam x hariba port c y minus delta dagi ps. So y minus delta is smaller than x. So x hariba y minus delta dagi chawre. Second equation. First equation je x is smaller than delta or y plus delta and EBR. See statement in the Roman if and only if the high is. Okay, so after we assume x minus y, modulus of x minus y is less than delta, I koina see statement say proof tawre. Okay, aham part lo. Okay, masang amuk sidagi amuk masai statement amado amuk tabreng. So conversely, I koina kari tawre. Suppose y minus delta is less than x, which is less than y plus delta. Okay. Ado itadi part ani je logi rezi ko hamada ambagi term ani je lorzi mathangda ani suba term lemori term je lorzi. So I koina kai haibiare hamba y minus delta is less than x natra. Ado itadi koina kai haibiare y minus x is less than delta. Okay. Ado itadi koina kai haibiare sida Sigi akoin x na halanji adu itadi minus com logirasi minus com logomnina minus y plus x haibam lani. Okay, si bracket to where the plus y minus x tamana tai ko. So sigi akoin kai haibiare minus of x minus y is equal to is less than delta. Sidai da kun tahalakto is karino haibam matamda masagi x less than 0 oranta di magi modulus minus x haina lakni na koina mamang discuss to gido. Ado itadi x minus y is negative itadi magi modulus se kai oini minus of x minus y aktoine na muta halaktoine. Okay, so anyhow masanga mu memory ba part se mung laws also natra x is less than y plus delta inle yare ko. Ado itadi koina kai haibiare x minus y is less than delta. Okay. Now, this is the part modulus of x greater than 0 x modulus c modulus of x, if x is greater than 0 modulus of x oini na hydro natra adugi part to muksidai chingthorine. Okay. Now c gi ani ji yengba matamda c ani maksidi gaino modulus of x minus y natra x minus y hairi basigi aikoina yengba matamda what is modulus of x minus y. Modulus of x minus y is kari oini ahamada maji x minus y oini if x minus y haribasi is greater than 0 natra, or kai oini minus of x minus y if x minus y is less than 0. Yan tare ko adu oita di si ani natro animak si x minus y and minus of x minus y animak si less than delta oire. So can we conclude that modulus of x minus y will always be less than delta? And conclude to yadra natra adu gi potuni koina mathak ta amuk ta handoi si gi pot x minus y is less than delta na sidagi amuk ham gi term ham gi kano do amuk ta halapa. Now see the statement today is the loidri natra today is the hence kai hare modulus of x minus y natra is equal to karambo ini the greater of x minus y and minus of x minus y yarba. Okay, but both are less than delta. Yarba, both less than delta oil. Adu ita de kun kai habiara. Therefore, modulus of x minus y is less than delta. And conclude to okay. So sumaina solve to yan tare ko so ahambada akoina ahamba part kari tawre x minus y is delta ne na assume tawre x minus y is less than delta ne na assume tawre nata sidai aduga author aga magi if and only if y minus delta is less than x which is less than y plus delta se tahalle natra sidai yare ko mathang ga amuk sigi je assume tawre akoina aduga amuk mamangi x minus y is less than delta, sorry, modulus of x minus y is less than delta do amutal. Okay, so sumaina sige question g what can. Okay, so all of this explanation is based on one single fact, and that is modulus of x is x if x is greater than 0, modulus of x is minus x if x is less than 0. Okay. So, this is the 4 marks question discussion number lower session number 2. See question jam important, please learn it. Okay, so in case if you have any doubt, please reach out to me in the comments section. Okay, so thank you for joining our classes. We will meet again.